Today we're going to discuss how to integrate a barcode scanner into a web application. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. In today's tutorial, we're going to integrate a barcode scanner into an ASP.NET web application using IronBarcode. This is a pretty straightforward implementation that allows users to upload barcode images and extract data from them. So let's jump right in. First thing you want to do is look at the NuGet package manager. As you can see, I've already installed 3 IronBarcode packages: barcode, barcode.detection, and barcode.slim. These packages provide all the functionality that we're going to need for barcode scanning in our web application. So now let's move to the default.aspx file where I've set up the user interface. I'll skip the CSS styling and focus on just the core markup. We have a simple scanner container with 3 main components. First, there's an ASP file upload control with the ID file upload that allows users to select barcode images from their system. Below that, we have an ASP button control with the ID button scan. This button triggers the onClick event button scan _click, which handles the barcode scanning logic. Finally, there's an ASP label control with the ID label result that displays the scanned barcode result or any error messages to the user. The structure is super clean and straightforward, making it easy for users to upload an image and scan it with a single click. So let's move to the code behind file, default.aspx.cs, where the actual scanning logic resides. I'm going to skip the license configuration at the top. The button scan _click event handler is wrapped in a try-catch block for error handling. First, we check if a file has been uploaded using the has file property. If a file exists, we retrieve the uploaded file stream using fileupload.postedFile.input stream. And this stream is then passed directly to IronBarcode's barcodereader.read method. The read method processes the image and returns a collection of barcode results. We access the first result using the index operator and extract its text property, which contains the decoded barcode value. This decoded value is then assigned to the label result.text property for display. If no file is uploaded, we show a message prompting the user to upload an image. The catch block handles any exceptions that might occur during that scanning process. So now let's go ahead and run the application and see it in action. All right, the page loads with our barcode scanner interface. I'll click on Choose File and select a barcode image from my system. And once selected, I'll click the Scan Barcode button. After clicking the button, the page processes the image, and you can see the downloaded barcode value displayed below. And there you go, the integration is complete and working perfectly. So that's it. Now you have a fully functional barcode scanner integrated into your ASP.NET application using IronBarcode. We hope that the tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. We got many more tutorials coming. And if you want to get started with IronBarcode, do not be afraid. Go ahead and sign up for a trial on the site. Continue to download, install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below. Check it out.